Hey guys, I'm Caleb from KCE Studios, and today I'm going to be doing my very first unboxing video with this guy. Alright, so let's see what we got here. I'm very excited about this one, guys. I got it at my local comic store, and if Lee's watching this, you're awesome. So yeah. Well, while we were over there, right next to my my local comic store, there was a little kaiju art gallery. It was awesome. They had like people made art of Godzilla and stuff, and it's just fun to look at that because I don't really ever see real stuff that other people have made. Because usually when I'm seeing all that, oops, there that goes. Usually it's on a screen, but I usually don't ever meet like real kaiju fans besides people in my own family that's not on the internet or on the screen and stuff. So that's pretty exciting to see that people where I live actually like that kind of stuff. So there's some tape on this. I'm actually going to keep this, guys. This thing is cool. Alright. Yep. You guessed it. It's the Knifehead. So excited about this one. Oh my gosh. Fresh vinyl. Okay. Evil twisty ties. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. So, gonna untwist this stuff. Surprisingly, this is the biggest kaiju that I'll have. I have that 1998 one. I'll just do a little size comparison in a second once I open this and stuff. Come on. Alright. You know what? I'm just gonna cut it. Come on. Thank you. Okay. So yeah, there was that that little kaiju art gallery. Really cool. The first time I've ever seen X Plus figures with my own eyes. It is opened. Oh my gosh. That's awesome. This is the face of awesome. Nice. Oh. It's got that new house smell. Yeah, okay. So, let's stand this guy up. This is very nice design. Like, look at that. Oh, some nice articulation, very shiny on his horns. Very nice. Okay. So, ooh, you can open his mouth. I'm sorry. Okay. So I can stand them up. We'll do a little size comparison. So, this is the figure that I just got, the Knifehead. And here's my Bondi 1954. So, he's a little taller. I might be wrong about he's the largest one. We'll see. Might just not be posing him correctly. Oh, there we go. So that's like the tallest he'll get. And here is my, I believe this is Trendmaster from the 1990s, my high side one. So he is a little shorter. I thought he was a little taller than that. Okay, well, second tallest. It's okay. But, yeah, this is amazing. Like, oh my gosh. Can't wait to pose this guy. Do all kinds of stuff with him. I love the movie. Okay, I probably would have put this guy on my top 10 list. Also forgot to put on Megalon. He's probably one of my favorites. You know what? I like this guy in Megalon a little better than Batra. That was a dumb idea. Putting Batra as my number 10. I should have put these guys on. But, anyways, yep. This is my new favorite kaiju. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, and leave a like. And I'll do more of this for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.